yeah, we're super excited. This will be the last race of my professional career. And I'm also the Grand Marshal. My family said, hey, we really want you to be it, Grand Marshal, so I'm honored for that. And I'm just trying to soak it all up today. I was super excited to get up this morning, make the drive out here to my parents' property, and just trying to enjoy every step of the way. We're about ready to hammer down here for practice, and then we got Moto 1 and Moto 2, and I'm probably going to be pretty emotional on my last couple laps in Moto 2 there. So, yeah, man, come check in with me at the end of the day, and we'll see how I'm feeling and what's going on.
What do we think of this new bike, this new livery on the bike?
Yeah, I love the new livery on the bike. I didn't really know what was going down, and then I showed up here for press day, and I'm like, ooh, that's a sharp-looking unit. So, yeah, I mean, pretty awesome. Special custom livery just for Millville this weekend, and yeah, even more special.
This is one of the best tracks of the year. The dirt's totally like my house at home, so I always love it. Wanted to go a little faster in practice, but we got another one to do better and improve ourselves, so looking forward to qualifier 2.
Yeah, it was definitely not the right start to the day, but that stuff happens. Track is a little bit slippery, hard pack underneath, so yeah, paddle is tough to kind of negotiate that and find that fine line, right? So yeah, definitely took a soil sample this morning, and yeah, regrouped, went back out for the second qualifying, felt everything out, everything feels okay, and yeah, get ready for the motos. We have a long break, thankfully, so just get some rest and come out, see what we can do in the motos.
All right, yeah, qualifying was good. P1 in both sessions, so that's nice. It's nice to qualify first, get a good gate pick, especially here. It starts a little funky, so yeah, hopefully get a good start and have a good race. We need to have some redemption from last weekend. Yeah, let's see what we can do.
Speaking of last weekend, how's the leg feeling?
Yeah, I spent all week, didn't ride once, didn't really train once. I tried to, do like a row. To be honest, like the blood pumping and stuff just made it kind of worse. So to be honest, like it was like a week of nothing. I was just playing Call of Duty, ranking up. But yeah, I mean, it's good now. I mean, it hurts. It's like, I'll be real, it hurts pretty bad, but nothing I can do about it. It's not, I want to win a championship, so I'm gonna do what it takes. So we'll be good.
Dude, I feel night and day more comfortable than I did at the first 2 rounds. I was P7 in practice 1. I was P3 in practice 2. Even on my slow laps, fast laps, I'm getting cheered on by all the hometown family and friends and fans, and it's amazing. And it's really it's tough to keep it together.
So far, so good. Here for I'm just here for Jeremy's last dance. Really, that's what I'm here for. So the race is, that's just a side thing I'm doing. But yeah, it's cool. I like this track, always have, and feeling good. Star Boys 1, 2, 3. So yeah, looking forward to it. It's gonna be a good race.
Yeah, it could be better, but just practice. So we'll try to regroup and try to put in a good race, get 2 motos here, and get off to a good start. That's what it's gonna take.
Yeah, we're good. Last weekend qualifying was good for me. The motos had a little bit of bike issues, but yeah, we're feeling really good today. Qualified 18th, I think. I jammed my wrist a little bit on the last lap of qualifying, so we're gonna get taped up, but we're ready for the motos.
You said last week Redbud was a new track for you. Is this track new for you as well?
Yeah, first time here in Redbud. I thought Redbud was going to be my favorite track on the circuit, and then I came here and this one's sick. So it's by far my favorite track so far.
Yeah, I feel pretty good. I don't really know if I put like a great lap together. It was all right. 16th overall. Like, all right, not great, not terrible. I don't really love the track. I was like super excited to come here, and then I rode the track, and it was like just kind of like meh, like nothing like too exciting. Like, I think maybe if the prep was a little bit better, it's kind of like a little skatey and slippery and stuff. So it's not like the ultimate like fun track to ride. It's kind of like we're going super fast, and it's like slippery and kind of edgy in spots. So it's not great, but hopefully I think it'll be a little bit better for the motos though. The track, they normally tune it up a little bit for the motos, and yeah, it should be good. Hopefully we can put together some good starts and run up front with those boys.
Pretty good, felt all right. I didn't get too good of a time, but trying to get suspension dialed in, just struggling a little bit, but feeling good on the bike, so hopefully we can get off to a couple good starts and put myself up there and get some good results today.
Any expectations for you on this race? You guys been building top 10s on this every week, or pretty close to. Any expectations?
Not really. Just get a good start and mix it up with the top 5 guys and kind of see where we end up. But I feel like I can run with those guys. The speed's there, so just got to get off to a good start and run up there with them for a bit.
Yeah, not bad. Felt better than my results showed for qualifying. I think I got like 17th in quali, so not great for gate pick, but this start's pretty fair. Probably going to go outside and try and swing it wide. But yeah, it felt good. I like this dirt and this track. I've had good results here, so I'm going to go out there and try and get a good result in the moto. That's all that matters.
A lot of people have been saying it's kind of slick this year. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I feel like it's not as deep as it has been. There's less lines, but usually this track funnels into one line, but it seems like it's even more of that this year, even with the way that like some of the inside rollers are. It's like the outsides used to be usable, now they're just completely off the track. So start's going to be pretty critical, and then just basically battling the train from there.
Feeling okay. First session is a little bit tough for me. I just learned the track because it's like first time here, but then second qualifying I felt better, kind of got some insides down and got a not bad lap, and I think I got like 20th or something, so it's not bad. Like, stay consistent and yeah, get ready for the motos and just try to get a good start and just try to stay more laps at the front group every time, like, you know, that top 10, top 15 group. So yeah, just that's a goal, and just ride clean and consistent. I think that's the goal for today.
You said it's your first time. How do you like the track?
It's good. It's a little different. It's kind of like soft in some spots, and some spots are a little hard, like hard underneath. And definitely that Mount Martin is pretty good. It's pretty steep, but I honestly like it. That uphill, downhill is pretty fun. No, it's a fun track. I think when you get used to it, it's really fun. So I don't know. I like it.
Spring Creek's good. I'm enjoying this track. This track is so unique with I think it's called Mount Martin. Doing like this double down the hill that it's pretty big, but yeah, these jumps are fun. The soil is so good, and this crowd is unreal. Yeah, Spring Creek is very unique in its own way, and it's a special one on the calendar. So stoked to be here, enjoying myself, and looking for 2 solid motos. So let's keep it fun.
Been throwing some fat whips out there.
Just a little bit. That's when Shocky's having fun. So now he's got to get off to 2 good starts and just do what Shock Rocket knows how to do best. Get those starts.
Let's get him started here in Spring Creek. Jeremy Martin, are you kidding me? Jeremy Martin in what will be his retirement race at his home track, the whole shot.
Can't believe how loud this crowd is right here. We feel like we're in the Supercross.
And he was quick, right up the top in qualifying, 3rd fastest, so he has speed. The 2-time champion of this class in his final run leads.
You catch a guy, then all of a sudden he picks up the pace. It's very frustrating, but
still goes right by. I think this might be different. Shimoda to the lead, just like that.
Maybe got that leg recovered, now looking fast.
What problem? What injury? What pain? Deegan back to the lead. Right now, though, Deegan is going to put the attack on. Jeremy was going to race a couple rounds for his old team here, Star Racing Yamaha. Crashed at Hangtown, said, I'll be back for one more. And he's making the most of it at Millville. Haiden Deegan is going to put it on the podium. 90th career moto podium. And that might feel better than all of them. Time to lock in, boys. Heart rate's up. Revs up. Gates down. There's Eli Tomac. Again, the Yamahas are white this week in the 70th anniversary colors right behind Prado.
Eli Tomac, seeing that Jet Lawrence going down. I don't know if he was able to get around Chase Sexton, but Eli's starting to move forward, and this is what we want to see. We know how this guy is. He gets that motivation and the excitement. Man, you see him running these outside. It's good to see that happen for number 3.
Tomac is still the only rider this year to have won a moto besides Jet Lawrence. Haiden Deegan looking to follow up Moto 1. Here in Moto 2. Jeremy Martin on the outside. He's done it again. Another whole shot. Incredible.
Jeremy Martin, I can't believe it, out front again. So cool to see.
To be honest, the guy's got a shot at the overall win today if he keeps riding well.
Yeah, I was about to say, if it ends like this, he will be your overall winner. On there, you're talking about a storybook ending, and the way he looked that first moto, it wasn't like he got dropped by those guys. I mean, he was still within a few seconds of the lead. He looked fresh, and you got to start wondering where the number 1 is and how he's feeling. But Jeremy Martin, what a ride!
And now we see Haiden Deegan starting to lurk. Another lap clicks off, another one led by Jeremy Martin at his home race. Jeremy Martin, well, the overall right now would be Deegan's, but can he end his career with an individual moto win? They're still focused on the racing, and that moment is the final lap of Jeremy Martin's career. And the whole team is cheering, not for their individual riders, they're cheering Jeremy Martin, who kicked off the run of what has become one of the most dominant runs in the history of this class. This is it! In so many ways, Jeremy Martin ends his career with a win! Haiden Deegan, the overall winner of Millville 2025. But these people will never forget this, and neither will Jeremy Martin.
It was insane, man. Another whole shot. Got passed right away by Shimoda, and then I don't know what happened. He made a little mistake, and then I got back in front, and I dug hard, man. I knew it was the last one. I was tired. I saw 5 laps to go. I saw Deegan was coming. That dude's a hunter. I'm like, man, I'm in the danger zone, and I was able to hold it on. And I was like, dude, this is the last 5 laps of your professional career. I'll go into the danger zone and then some more. So he rode awesome. Thank you, Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha for everything.
Here it is, revs are up. Gates down.
Good to see Eli Tomac moving forward, because we really wasn't sure what happened that first moto, and then a bad start. It's going to be a tough day for Eli, but good to see him with a little fight. You know, he came out here thinking that hey, there's going to be troubles. Like, I haven't raced in a while, but I feel like I'm good enough, the bike's good enough that I can compete to win, and as I get my feet under me, I'll be up here.
It's been tough today on Tomac.
Okay, although we usually open this with the winner, and respect to you, Haiden, Jeremy, you're the only thing that anybody wants to talk about today. So can you take us through that 2 incredible starts and then that second moto to do the dream?
Yeah, it was a fairy tale kind of ending to my career. You know, I was obviously, we all know I was doing the VIP gig. I lined up at Paula and Hangtown, and then like I was practicing starts. I was a yard sale. Like I literally tried these really tall starting blocks. I hit the middle of where they dropped the gate. Like I was just all over the place. I was just not dialed in, and took a break, got everything better, and you know, what a dream day, really. I mean, it's just insane, and it's an honor to be able to battle with these guys. I mean, to see the pace of the next generation. I mean, I was good back in my day, but these guys are really good now.